Welcome back to another episode of Tech Talk Today, where we dive into the latest innovations and trends in technology. I'm your host, and today we have a fascinating topic lined up for you: local LLM-assisted text completion. So, have you ever found yourself deep in coding, your fingers flying across the keys, only to hit a wall, unable to think of the next line? Well, that's where tools like llama.vim come in. This tool is designed to enhance your coding experience right in your Vim editor, providing suggestions that feel almost like a collaborative pair programming session. Now let's break it down a bit. Llama.vim essentially integrates powerful large language models. Think of them as super smart assistants that help you complete your text in real time. You can see how this would not only speed up your coding, but also potentially help you overcome those frustrating roadblocks. Imagine you're stuck. With just a quick keystroke, you get suggestions tailored to your context. Isn't that amazing? While we're on the topic, let's talk about the setup process because, honestly, the best tools are the ones that are easy to use but powerful in impact. You'll need a few things before you start. First, you need to install the plugin using either Vim Plug or Vundle. Just a couple of lines in your configuration file and voila, you're nearly there. After installation, you will also need to run an instance of llama.cpp, which acts as the server for this entire operation. It's just a matter of configuring your system. Depending on the VRAM you have, you'll choose the appropriate setup instructions. If you have more than 16 gigabytes, you'll run one server configuration, while those with less adjust accordingly. It's like tuning your engine to get the best performance from your vehicle based on the type of fuel you have. But what does this all look like in action? Picture this. You're coding an application on your M1 Pro chip, and as you type, the tool is already suggesting completions. You see colorful, real-time suggestions pop up based on your context. And alongside, there are performance stats. How many tokens you've used, how much context is still available, and so on. For those who might not be familiar, tokens here refer to the pieces of text the model is processing. This not only helps you keep track, but also lets you know just how efficiently the tool is running. Now, have you ever used a coding assistant? What was your experience like? There's a real power in combining AI with traditional coding environments. It feels like stepping into the future, doesn't it? Another interesting aspect is how this all connects to various programming environments. Sure, we're focusing on Vim today, but llama.vim is just one piece of a larger puzzle. There's also a version for VS Code, showing just how versatile these tools can be. As we wrap up today's episode, I'd like you to reflect on this. What if you could automate parts of your coding process? Imagine the free time you could have for more creative tasks or learning new skills. Tools like llama.vim pave the way for that, making coding not only faster, but also more enjoyable. So, what are your thoughts? Do you think LLMs like the one powering llama.vim will change the landscape of coding? Drop us a comment or message and share your experiences. Thanks for tuning in to Tech Talk Today. Catch you in the next episode.